man come, only per man come back at him. But when me look at him, me see him area man them. I escort him, carry him, come and shop ya. Say him want weed for sale. So me tell him, say go on in I shop, brother in I shop, go make brother look for the weed. Yes, when him go in there, pull out weed pan counter. Yes, me a brother, I say a good weed. Yes, me go in.
You're going.
I take a look on the weed, ya papa. When me look on weed look pretty. Me say, yeah, me no brother. Me want to see that weed ya go out at the door. Cause it's so kind of dark.
Kind of dark, yeah.
Yeah, me want to see this good out at the door in a light.
Yeah.
When me step out a shop with this and look, weed pretty as fuck, big long brown paper out of weed, you know, whole heap, you know. Me step out and tell him, say, me I beg you this, you know.
Really, cat?
But yeah, I beg you.
No, the weed
you
when
man
cap
weed,
on
you
for
cat.
sell.
You will like it.
Yeah.
You're mad,
You're
man.
wicked, man.
You're mad, your blood clot.
Why
man.
me can't beg
You
you
come
this.
back now, we gonna shoot you.
Well, you have to do that.
Cat, the one I man with the one.
That, me say, man.
Alright, further the argument, further the
Beg
argument.
you this, brother, man, laugh. Me step again. He marks brother where me at. The brother tell him, say that man, I say, my beg you, man. So, he must step to me. Me tell him, say, brother, me I beg you this. Him say, him can't give me. Me say, well, alright. If you can't give me,
Where are David?
you don't know what I go on. Me I take it. Yeah, brother. Yeah, man, and me take it, brother. Yeah, man, him can't give me, but me can take it. Yeah, man, me tell him, say me I take.
You screw up on your door.
Yes, him scoop on himself.
That's
Me-
Christ, cat.
Me take it and go up on the little bank, go stand up like this, so, and him down in a road, they look up for me. So, no, Papa, me kind of want this. Me
You're gone with the
can't
man
give you
with-
back nothing.
Why get a wicked thing, man, sir?
Beg him, ask everybody if them a make the man take him weed. The man say them can't do nothing. Man, if you just look. As him gone, man, come and check me for your split. Me say I no couldn't take it from him. Look how far on the bite him come from with it. Eh? And no, gonna like when I did afraid to take it. Yeah, man. Cause you know when I get to, you know, some man a hypocrite, you know.
I know him go lose it, but
some
him
man
still
no
a
want their
follow him.
name called to police, nor no bad man a look for them, nor nothing. So they nah take nothing. But from me take him and help me bunny out to ashes, you know. But a man nah help dead for me, you know. Yeah, but you me know me a road boy and me can't defend me thing a road. And me and my brother them roll, you know. And we are bad man everywhere we go.
Brother, no easy, you know, brother
Yeah.
say, man say want it.
Yeah, brother tell him, say
You
the
know
man,
me a
say
fuck up
man
one
want
of them
it.
in a jersey.
Yeah, man.
Somehow me a kill one of no blood
So,
clot
cat,
in
suppose you know going a man here go sell some weed.
Me no give man some herb for go and smoke till me forward from up I weed, man. Me go sell this and if this sell off and me can buy no 2 beer and me a come back, me no buy no 2 beer and gone, brother. Promise you no say next week when me a come, me can have a better draft. Oh, no. Hey, what wrong with that? Hey, yeah, go like you just have to sell everything and go back with every money. No, man, and that's the earth run, brother. Earth no run, some man. You just give man them some weed, make the man them cut up and smoke and feel nice. Sell weed and come back and say, brother, you want to buy a drink in the next week when me a come back. Carry a hotter draft, you know, maybe you never go back there so again go sell weed.
But you know,
But you know, you just
someone
make
will-
your way out.
Yeah.
Yeah, you make your way back out, brother. Yeah, man.
Someone will live too free to you, man.
Man, not too free, man. Man, clean up them village and maintain the village, man. I want the way to survive, to, you know, brother. And see, man, I pay excursion at town. What you think, say? What you feel like?
That's why I couldn't live at town, you know.
Yeah.
I mean, now go pay, you know.
You know, collect it then.
Yeah, me collect it.
But you want pay.
Me nah pay.
You with blood clot dead.
Me dead.
Yeah. You want pay, but you will collect it. Yeah, me will pay, brother. Yeah, man, I mean, not pay like me an idiot. You understand? But on a certain situation, you can't too tight, brother. One man, and we sit down on the block, you know. Same way like this, you know, man, come on. Turn up our little cripple man buy weed, you know. Gone up a sheriff, gone with him weed, run gone in. Hear the raw soul now. Gone in, sheriff, the pan him bed, sit down, cripple up. Him spread out weed pan sheriff bed after we a call him like up a shop, yeah, so. Him turn off up a hill, gone up a sheriff. Well, we go up a sheriff. Yeah, man, we go up a sheriff.
You know for life?
Yeah, man. And just go take up the pass, yeah, 5 bed, cause sheriff can't get up, you know. So him now have to go defend for himself in a sheriff house.
Yes.
So we just take up this blood clot off a sheriff bed and wrap it up and step out.
Yeah.
Him a look for the whole man can't do nothing.
Kinda
clearly.
cripple?
Yeah, cripple man this pan him bed.
Hey.
Whole man start call Fim son.
Yeah.
From up a Fim yard, you know, call down Boomy. Boomy. Boomy come down. And sheriff, Boomy! Boy, they come here, Robert, come here, Boomy! Boomy come down. When Boomy him come down, hear him step down to it. Whole man. Ask man say, whole man, your blood clot. Go suck your mother. And run on from Boomy blood clot. And start fuck up Boomy. Hear the cripple man in him bed. Boy, you worthless no blood clot. You mean to say the boy then come here to kill your whole man in a bed in a cripple bed and you can't defend it a rascal? If I did have me slingshot, I shoot your ass. Hey, every day we take him out Boomy, you know.
Yeah.
That's a serious something I tell you, you know, brother.
Yeah.
We just go up, we take weed, brother. Come down back, come put down on the corners and smoke. Real bad man pines, brother. Yeah, man, you got that thing a joke thing. One other day, you know, so we did it. That time they we just a set up a shop, you know, for brother, you know. You know, so when we look, we see a man come with a red knapsack pan back. We say, brother, what is?
Just so?
Yeah. Him say herbs him carry for sell. So a man say, yeah, me no brother, me can't get a draw of the herbs.
Yeah, alright.
Okay, so you okay too?
Yes, no. Hear him. No, him can't give any herbs. Him have to sell first. A man said, then you hear well on a man. And I say place run man. Who you go sell herb? Him no know.
But him a
And
pass.
we know a man we can buy the whole life from him. So you know just give you a draw, make we send you up high man. He must step well if a man just hang on pan the red knapsack, you know. He must turn around a man just find something pan him blood clot and say, yo,
Give me
hey,
this.
yard. He must fi just free up, make a man take the knapsack off him back and take off the little weed out tight and dash knapsack give him.
Want to lift up.
Yeah man, and tell him left the village, brother.
You have to lift up.
Yeah.
You can't only live so long and then the whole heap of blood clot problem.
Yeah,
That me I say.
man, brother man.
So,
When we look, me see Kiara bun tire come back. The car him come back in now, you know.
And the bad man friend them.
Yes. And me look, me
Nah,
say,
get mashed up now.
Clatter, what is?
No start fret.
And me look, man, jump out a car up a shop. And say, Ras, Clatter, you know. Him come pine pan man, say, man, take away me weed. We rush him and fly down pan him and tell driver to lift clutch. God, man, one bus off me and off a car window.
Yeah, man.
You fuck. Here the other two man we come out of the car. Little more them a come back come check with your draw. I say better no do so. No, that's solution. That them know say we, you know. But true him have to pay them and buy them cup of beer again uptown, you know, if he come around there with him, for show them him say them a bad man. But them can't come take with the weed. Cause them know say we have the weed.
Oh, no, bad man run from
Yeah, a
the
real
Gaza.
friend. Yeah, man, a real friend them him go to the right and them where we come.
hey, one time I this one boy uptown, you know. And him driver saying Sue come back. Cause he must fuck me up, you know. When me look, me see him come back with two Falkland man. Me lean up and me carry my machete and me carry, you know. Falkland man come and lean up and me Sally building. Yo, Sean, come here. I said, but you know no blood clot easy. Me no want soon, I don't want to see me, you know. Cause me now move from me carry do my machete
The
there.
man and he come to tab your kill you.
No come to me if you don't want me, man. Man come down and say blood clot, Sean are you know. Can't really do you nothing still you know. You see the man here? And my brother, so nobody trouble him again.
Alright.
Make him go and live, you hear sir? So me I say about this a man never easy a blood clot. He left and so far drive out to gas go for man because want me.
Yeah, man, come to make you dopey, man, but sure are you?
But me can't defend myself in a cat.
Yes,
Anything,
me not
anything,
say
you
no,
know.
but that dopey we come to make. But sure are you? We can't talk you over. And you go and live.